Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today I decided to face my fears of throwing out my old beauty products. So I have a trash can out here, and then this box that my sister gave me, then this other box that has like my daily stuff. But we're gonna face this one first because this is the actual one that I keep and not use at all. See, I have an old eyelash curler. I have this first highlighter that I ever bought. I never actually used it. Bye. Should I keep this? Okay, it's still fine. Okay, this one isn't expired, so I'm keeping it. I don't know why I have a shoelace. I have this sequined cactus from my friend Justice, and I still haven't used it, but I'm keeping it because it's from her. Now I have like these boxes from like my medicated skincare and stuff. I'm gonna throw out the ones that I don't use anymore. I have face masks out here. Give me. So I have these two. I'm keeping them. I actually just don't use makeup that much, but just in case, I'm keeping this for like probably until June, because I don't know if I might need it for like, I don't know, prom, graduation or something like that. We move on to this basket over here that has my daily dose of everything. I'm gonna quickly sort through them first and then like elaborate on some of them. So yeah. Got this lotion from my local nail salon. I have like a lot of lotion out here, so I'm gonna use those first and then this one eventually. As I said, lots of lotion. And I recently got a tattoo. I got this one yesterday. I have like a sun. I don't know if you could tell. I made this really bad heart on the side. This one I'm keeping, of course. Look at this puppy. I'm gonna put like the ones that I keep on this side. Lip gloss. I'm trying to finish this off because I kind of just don't like it. This Fenty Beauty lip gloss is not doing much on my lips. It like goes away fast. So I have like leftover medication over here. I'm just gonna put them here so that I can use this box. Oh yeah, I just recently got new airplanes because my airplanes died. Oh, I'm trying to make it a goal for this year to make them live until like the following year. I want one of them to like sprout a little pup for me. So I'm trying. We'll see if it happens. I'm using this hair product at the moment. It's from Toso Wong from Yes Style. This one I have to throw away because whenever I use it, I break out, and I only use it when I travel. While I'm doing this, I'm going to talk about my 2020 goals because why not? So this year I plan to do a whole makeover of myself, mentally, physically, and like my environment as well. There's a lot of milestones ahead for me, and I want to feel great when I achieve those milestones. So yeah. So this year I'm just gonna decide to face my fears, probably try to go to the gym like once a month or maybe like every other month, and work out in my basement once a week or every other day because I really want to focus on my health this year. I feel like I need a whole self-care day. I think I haven't done that in forever or ever, so yeah. I think I need to buy a new concealer. So this year I'm planning to prioritize having a minimalist mindset. I feel like I've accumulated a lot of things. I don't think that it's okay to hoard, so impulsive shopping is the main thing that I would like to prevent myself from doing. I also plan to take better care of my hair more because my hair's just been through it a lot over the years. Especially last year, I had like 4 different colors on my head it was great for myself because I felt really good. I think this year I'm gonna try to make it healthier and hop back to the old days another year from now. It just needs a break. It deserves a break. Pretty much the goal is to be able to feel physically, mentally better through exercise, decluttering often. So I feel like this year will be a very monthly / bi-weekly thing to clean my environment. Second thing is to take care of my plants better because my plants keep dying on me. Oh, another important goal of mine is to be able to speak Korean better / fluently. Right now, all I know is like 3 sentences and like a few words that like I always hear on K-dramas or like YouTube videos from Korean YouTube channels. So I'm thinking of doing that in college, which is why I'm looking for a school that offers that language specifically. So yeah, I'm planning to study a lot more of Korean this year, as well as master or like learn to study French. Yeah, I'm very dedicated on doing something, so I think this year I'll try to achieve the best that I can on my goals and stuff. But my goal at the end of the year is to be able to achieve like at least 2 of my goals. I've thrown out most of the things that I can throw out, such as like eyeshadow brushes and stuff. So far my box is looking pretty solid. Like I can see everything that I need. The thing is, my things tend to fall around the area, so yeah. Right now it looks really nice and clean. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I shared you guys my goals for the year. I hope we all achieve the goals that we wish to achieve this year. A lot of things are in store for 2020 for both of us. So I'm very happy of what I achieved last year, but I'm more so looking forward to what happens this year. I'm in a much clearer headspace and I just feel like I'm ready to tackle the world at the moment. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
지옥 같은 밤들 속에